So we have to ask ourselves as dads, what is the story that you want to write? What is the outcome that you want to have with your kids from this experience? And it is a great opportunity to tap into your inner child. Too often we get caught up in life and being an adult, setting the boundaries, and really having that opportunity to tap into your inner child and enjoy just having fun and dressing up with your kids. Opportunities don't come too much. And I do believe a lot of dad communities have it wrong. And I've heard celebrities make statements, well, you've got to either be the parent or the dad that draws the line, or you could be the fun dad. You can't be both. And I completely disagree with this. It's just a matter of your comfort and your ability to have that range. And tomorrow night is an opportunity. Tonight, if you're watching this on Halloween, we have this range that we can practice.